Scholars, Mrs. Kendrick here. I'm going to be doing a short video reviewing mean, median, mode, and range. This was some of the concepts that we went over right before we went on break. So I do want to go over some of them just real quickly for you, just in case you guys have forgotten or you need a refresher on any of these skills, especially because we are going to be finishing chapter 8 within the next couple weeks. So I would just want to make sure that you guys have this information in case you do need it, okay? So of course we're going to be reviewing mean, median, mode, and range. I have a set of numbers here, which we are going to call a data set. And always, as if you guys remember, when you have a set of data, what you first need to do is you need to put them in order. So I went ahead and I put them in order from least to greatest. First thing we're going to go over is mean. Of course, when you find the mean, just remember that you need to take all of your numbers in your data set and you're going to add them all together. So if you notice, I put plus signs here between all the numbers because I'm adding them all up together. When you add them all up together, you're going to get 30. After you do that, after you add up all the numbers, you are going to divide by how many numbers you have. So how many numbers do I have here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So I take my sum of all the numbers and I divide it by how many numbers I have, which is 6. So 30 divided by 6 is going to equal 5. That's going to give you your mean, okay? You add and divide for the mean, if you guys remember the sum, okay? Second thing is to find the median. When you find the median, what you're doing is you're finding the middle number. But of course, they need to be in order from least to greatest, which we've already did. So I ordered them here from least to greatest. However, we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, which is an even number. Because of that, you're going to take the two middle numbers and you're going to find the average or the mean of those two numbers. So what you do is you will add up these two numbers. 3 plus 6 is 9, and you're going to divide by how many you have. I have 1, 2 numbers, so I'm going to divide 9 by 2, and that's going to give me 4.5. So that is my median. My median is the middle number, or you might have to find the average of the two numbers if you have an even set of numbers here, okay? Next is a mode. The mode is the one that you see the most. So in this case, we have 3. 3 is a number that shows up the most. We have 2 3s, and the rest of them, we just have one of each of those numbers. So because there is 2 of these numbers, that is the number that we see the most, that is your mode. Okay, that one is one of the easier ones to find. After that, we have range. Range just means that you take the greatest number and you take the least number and you subtract them. In this case, since my numbers are all in order, I can take the most or the greatest number, the least number, 9 minus 1, and you subtract them as I put there. So 9 minus 1 equals 8, and that's going to be your range. Just remember, your range is your greatest, your least, you just subtract them from each other, and that is going to be your range. Okay? All right, you guys. So this is just a quick review for you. I hope that this is helpful. I do want you guys to take notes if needed. If not, you can always watch this video multiple times if you forget. Remember, again, we're going to be working with these skills a couple times during the next couple weeks so that we can finish this one chapter, which we're almost done with it anyway, but hopefully this will help refresh your memory. Okay? All right, you guys. Thank you. Have a good day.